Welcome back to HARBRO Freight. Quality videos, lowest prices. And today we're going to summarize the deals that are going on right now and the best deals they have that you should get if you're considering them, because they're going to be running out here in about the next week. So if you find this useful, please consider liking or subscribing. Turn on the notification bell so you get these videos as soon as they come out. And let's go ahead and jump right in. So this is going to be a combination of super coupons, ITC deals, and dollar days. First, we have the Icon Precision Snap Ring Pliers 8-piece. Now, most of these will be at least 25% off unless they're like these Icons that are 20% off, just because these tend to not go on sale for too much higher than 20%, although it does happen. But still a great deal, 20% off ITC, normally $75, $59.99, 8-piece, saving $15. Great ITC deal here. Then another great deal, we have these Pittsburgh Flex Head Metric Ratcheting Combination Wrench Set, 5-piece. These are 33% off, normally $30, but they're $20 now for 33% off. And if you don't want to break the bank, go with Icon. You can go with Pittsburgh, which, again, these are an excellent choice to go with. And then, of course, those were the metric. These are the SAE. Same thing, $29.99. Normally, now $20, save 33% off. So excellent, excellent discount on these Pittsburgh Flex Head ratchets if you're definitely not trying to break the bank. Next, something that comes in super handy if you're pumping your own tires at home, you have the Merlin Digital Tire Inflator. Normally $30, now also 33% off, down to $19.99. So 33% off, excellent discount on a premium, high quality digital tire inflator. And it comes with these different accessories, just so you have a variety of options to work with. Then we have the Doyle 13-inch heavy-duty professional hand riveter. Professional hand riveter has double compound hinge for added leverage to quickly secure rivets. $24.99, now $18. So $25, now $18, save 28%. So excellent deal there. And of course, Pittsburgh half-inch drive SAE impact socket set, 13-piece. Normally $20, but it's now down to $15, so 25% off of these. And is this for both metric? Yes, correct. Both metric and SAE, both 25% off. Then we have the One Stop Gardens 22-inch head shears with wavy blade. Wavy blade, didn't know that. That's interesting. It has a wavy blade, normally $16, down to $11, so 31% off. And this is definitely the time to cut some hedges. If not, they're going to get overgrown pretty quick. And these will make quick work of that garden work that you have. 31% off. Another Merlin digital tire pressure gauge. This is normally $18, down to $13, so 27% off. A little bit more simple, but still Merlin, still high quality. Really good discount. Another One Stop Gardens, the steel handle lopper for $15, 33% off. So it's down to $10. And of course, you need a good set of steel handle loppers to cut those thicker branches. So definitely a good deal here. Durable steel construction with precision ground blades. Then we have the Pittsburgh Pro 3/8-inch drive SAE color-coded deep socket set. 10-piece, normally $14. Now it's $10 with ITC, 28% off. And this is SAE. And is this also for metric? Yes, of course it is. Also color-coded, also 3/8-inch drive on the metric side. Then we have the Greenwood 1 1/4 gallon home and garden sprayer, $14, down to $9, so 35% off. And they have it mixed in here with this Bauer. Interesting. An ideal all-purpose spray tank. Next, we have this Pittsburgh ratcheting screwdriver set, 26-piece for $13. Now 30% off, down to $9. So saving about $4 there. Solid one ratchet screwdriver set with 24 bits and a nylon carrying case, so that keeps it pretty organized, which is nice. Then we have the undisputed heavyweight champion of the world, Grant's XXL Ultimate Microfiber Drying Towel. And it's confirmed, this thing is great. Positive feedback from virtually everybody who I asked. Normally $10, down to $5, 50% off. And I kind of want to watch these videos. 50% off, they zoom in on the edges, easily dry an entire vehicle with this massive XXL Ultimate Microfiber Drying Towel. You could also use this as a blanket if you need to take a nap while you're washing your car. Is what it looks like. It's 50% off. 50% off, $4.99. Definitely the time to pick one of these up before they expire. The Grant's XXL Ultimate Microfiber Drying Towel. Then we have these Doyle demolition screwdrivers, 2-piece, normally $8, down to $5.89, so 26% off on these demolition screwdrivers. They have that heavy-duty striking cap on the end. That's what makes them demolition. And kind of nice, has the identifying Phillips and flathead, which is pretty cool. $8, $5.89, 26% off. I hadn't noticed that detail before, and that makes me even more of a fan. And it says you can use them as pry bars. I've seen some pictures on Reddit where people try to use their, some other screwdrivers or whatnot as pry bars, and they're just not made to hold up like that. So $5.89, 26% off. Then we have Pittsburgh 7-inch wire stripper with cutter, $5.99 normally, down to $2.99. So normally $6, down to $3, 50% off. So whenever I see 50% off, that's excellent. Excellent discount for some wire cutters. More Pittsburgh 15-pound capacity telescoping magnetic pickup tool. If you're picking up a tool that's more than 15 pounds, you need a bigger pickup tool. $5 normally, now down to $2.59, so 48% off. Excellent deal. Then with a Quinn 3/8-inch drive SAE and Metric Master Impact socket set, 48-piece. Normally $100, down to $80, so it is 20% off. Excellent deal on Quinn. And then, of course, the classic Daytona 6-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stand, slate gray. You can get them in any of these colors: black, blue, green, racing orange, slow yellow. $60, 25% off. I've seen them go slightly below this, but 25% off is pretty much as close as it's going to get. So if you've been waiting to pick some of these up, this would be the time to get them. Next, we got the Pittsburgh SAE Metric Star Folding Hex Key Set 3-piece. $5, normally $7, 28% off. Decent deal there. With a Braun 250 lumen portable folding LED work light. Normally $8, down to $5, 37% off on this professional folding LED work light, magnetic kickstand base for secure placement, hands-free use, has a hook, pivoting base, and 360 swivel hook offers precise lighting adjustments. And that's awesome. I hadn't realized that it had a magnet and it has a hook, and it's only $5, 37% off. Great deal. And with a Braun 500 lumen professional swivel headlamp, $10, normally $15, 33% off, so excellent deal there if you're going to sneak around at night. And then we have the Grant's Ultra Plush Edgeless Microfiber Towels, 12-pack, $7, normally $10, 30 whole percentage points off on that. Then we have the Bauer 10-inch 80-tooth fine finishing circular saw blade, $17, normally $27, so 37% off compared to the Diablo D1080X. Super sharp construction grade C3 carbide teeth for fast, flawless finish. Next, Bauer 3-gallon 3-peak horsepower wet dry vacuum for $30, 25% off, so it's normally $40, so $10 off. If you don't have a shop vac, you need one quick, something that's just going to get the job done. Can't go wrong with this. 3-gallon 3-peak horsepower wet dry vacuum. What more can you ask for? Then we have this Icon 400-pound capacity 43-inch professional creeper. And everyone knows I'm a fan of Icon. Icon Alert, 400-pound capacity. This thing can hold anything. Built-in supports for neck and lumbar regions. $30 off of $140. Excellent deal. If there was a creeper you're going to take a shot on, this is the time to get an Icon one, so you know it's going to be quality. Next, some of the last dollar days that were excellent. 65-pound magnetic decor hooks, 2-pack, 65 pounds each for $3, almost 40% off. Can't pass on that. Pittsburgh's 25-foot by 1-inch quick find tape measure with ABS casing, $2, normally $5, almost 60% off. And these are lifetime warranty, pocket size, 25 feet, thick spring steel blade with easy to read markings. Great deal. Braun 200 lumen LED pen light, $5, normally $8, 37% off. Put this in your pocket for quick access to a excellent flashlight. 200 lumens brilliant light anywhere you need it. Then Pittsburgh's pick and hook set, 7-piece, $8, 33% off. A solid quality pick set is always useful. Any pick set is useful, especially if you don't have one. Then this Franklin 500-pound capacity hydraulic table cart, $50 off. That's 20% off, $199, a little bit more pricey. But for a hydraulic table cart, that is going to come in so useful so many times. Lift heavy work pieces up to 28.25 inches high with this foot-operated hydraulic table cart. And then we'll round it off with the 20% off all Maddox products. Don't forget, this is going on right now. Hydraulic brake flaring tool kits, dent repair kits, 5-gallon ASME compliant tire bead seaters, performance inflators, 20% off of everything. 20% off of this hydraulic brake flaring toolkit, $70 off. So $275. Great deal on these. Don't forget to at least check these out. Paintless dent repair, exhaust pipe expander kit. Very specific tools for fixing, but they're all 20% off. So definitely take a look at the Maddox, 20% off. And then on clearance, I'm not 100% sure why these Zurich code readers are on clearance. I don't know if they're being discontinued, but they're down to clearance prices from the ZR15 down to the 13, the 11, and the ZR8, which is something to consider if you're looking to get a decent discount on some of these. And I will leave it at that. Any of these that you've gotten already or that you're gonna get, hopefully your 4th was full of joy and fireworks and new tools. There's some new deals coming out. I believe there's a free bucket weekend coming up. Hearing it through the grapevine. There's also going to be a premium tool giveaway, which in the past has included some Icon, roughly valued about $15 to $20. So I'm not sure what they're going to choose, but that's on the horizon. So stay tuned. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have those deals, I will send them your way.